Hello, Elite Club members. I'm going to be walking you through how to upload a customer list that you might get from either your farming app or your customer service department, specifically for Facebook ads. Now, first thing you need to know is that you are not able to upload actual addresses like street addresses into Facebook. You can upload first name, last name, and also email and phone number. So that means that if you just have a list of addresses with only first and last names, you or your client might need to run that list through a data append service to append the emails and phone numbers. The more information you can give to Facebook, the more accurately they're going to be able to target those folks. So the first thing that you need to know, and this has been in process for a number of months, is that you have to set up a Facebook Business Manager account, which is different from your Facebook ad account. Your Facebook ad account, where I'm at right now, is on the facebook.com site. You go to add, and you'll go to your Facebook Ads Manager. The Facebook Business Manager is different. It is separate. It is connected to Ads Manager, but it's different. So this is what this looks like here. Let me close out of this. Here's your Facebook Ads Manager that's connected to facebook.com. And then this is where you're going to have to go to Business Manager. Now, why do you have to go to this separate area? Well, because of all the trouble that Facebook got into, they now have to police people a whole lot more, especially in the real estate realm. And that has forced them to create this Facebook Business Manager, or not create, it's already been created, but to force people now to register all of their pages and their ad accounts there. So if you have a client who used to do ads, maybe they did it a couple of months ago, maybe it was a year ago, and they want to upload their list, they're wondering why they can't, or if they're getting a notification where they can't even click the button, it's grayed out, this is why. You have to come over here, you just Google Facebook Business Manager, click in here. Now I've already got one set up. So if you hadn't, you would see a little like walk through here, and I've got 2 test accounts set up. You can see that this is a gray color, and Facebook Ads Manager is more of a blue kind of color. I'm going to try to get the home here. See, it just takes me to Business Manager now because I've already connected it. So if you haven't connected it, you'll be in Ads Manager. It'll be totally separate. So here's the deal. When you're coming in here, you're going to follow the prompts. You're going to select everything. You're going to have your business page from Facebook go under this account. You'll be able to add any of your business pages. You'll be able to add any of your ad accounts. So I have, FNTG example account. You'll have to add in your ad account. You'll have to add in your business pages. You can see either add page or create page. You don't want to create a page. Hopefully they already have a business page created, but you will have to connect your ad account. You will have to connect business page or pages. Once that's done, you can go back into facebook.com, like you're going to create an ad, and you can then start to upload your lists as you have in the past. Now, if you've never done this before, then I'm going to show you how to do it. It always brings you here. I'm going to close out of here because I don't want that. And I'm going to click on the Tools menu. I'm going to go to Audiences. I'm going to pull up all of my audiences. And you're going to click Create Audience, Custom Audience, Customer List is what we want. It says create an audience using your existing customer information. Data will be hashed before uploading, and we won't store any of it afterwards. Now, if you have not connected your Business Manager account, you will see this. Now let me change this so that you can see what it actually looks like when you have it connected. Go back to Audiences. Back to Create Audience, Custom Audience. Now when I click Customer List, it knows that I have connected my ad account and my business page to the business manager. And you want to select this center one right here. Use a file that doesn't include LTV, not loan to value, lifetime value. Doesn't mean anything to us, but that is what we want to select. Lifetime customer value is basically for e-commerce and people selling things. So we're just going to click this one here. And then right here, you can prepare your customer data file. You can have emails, phone numbers, mobile advertiser ID is something that you won't have, first name, last name, zip code. But remember, zip code is gone, so you can't search by that anyway in real estate, so don't even try. City is allowed, state, country, date of birth, year of birth, gender, age. Cannot do any of those in real estate as well. So zip code, gender, and age, forget about. And then these last two you're not going to have anyway. So it's basically email, phone number, first name, last name. You could do city if you wanted to, or state. And so you're going to have your spreadsheet, which will be in a CSV format. It tells you right here, CSV. You don't want Excel, you want CSV. And you have to select the original data source. You have to tell Facebook, here's where I got this information. I got it from customers and partners, directly from customers, which means like this is your database. Like you have clients that you've worked with and they've actually opted in and given you their information, or from partners. Now, if they're getting a list from you, it's going to be coming from partners. And then you just click upload file and select your file. Now also, here's a handy dandy little template. So if I were you, I would save this on my computer so that I could send this to folks if they are needing it to be in a template, maybe your customer service department, maybe your clients. And then all you do is name your audience, and it takes about 30 minutes for it to process everything. It's never going to be 100% match because people have multiple email addresses. They may be using a personal email to sign up with Facebook, and you may have their work email. So essentially, that is what you do. First, you need to make sure you have Business Manager set up. You've got your page and your ad account. Once you have that, you can come back in here, go to audiences, upload a custom audience, and upload your file, and you are ready to go. So that is how you now upload your farm list or your data list, or if you have a customer who has a database that wants to upload it into Facebook and then serve them ads.